Hello everyone. Today we have this radical equation. So let's explore the solution together of this equation. So first of all, we will take square on both sides to eliminate this square root. So let's take square on both sides. So after taking square, this square will cancel this square root. So it will become x minus 1, and here x plus 3 all square. This here we will apply the a plus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's do it. So x minus 1 equal to x square. Here we applied formula, which is equal to x square plus 2ab, that is 2x, and b is equal to 3. So 2ab plus b square, that is 3 square, because we have a equal to x and b equal to 3. So after applying this formula, now this will become x square, and 2 times x times 3 equal to 6x, and this 3 times 3 equal to 9. So this will become x square plus 6x plus 9, like this. X minus 1 equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Now we will send this x minus 1 on this side of the equation. So this minus x, this x will become minus 6, and this minus 1 will become plus 1, like this. So overall this equation will become x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 6 and plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will write this as x square plus 6x minus 6, this minus 6 with this one, because like terms to one side, and plus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. So this will become x square, and this will become 5x, because 6x minus x equal to 5x, and 9 plus 1 equal to 10. And now this has become a quadratic equation, and the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we will compare this with this quadratic equation. So here a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to 10, like this. A equal to 1, b 5, and c equal to 10. So now we will apply quadratic formula. So let's apply this quadratic formula. This is quadratic formula, which is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So as I told you guys, a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to 10. So now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So let's put these values. So x is equal to minus 5 as b equal to 5, and plus minus under the root b is 5. So 5 square minus 4, a equal to 1, and c equal to 10, and divided by 2, a equal to 1. So this will become minus 5 plus minus, and 25, and 4 times 1 times 10 equal to 40 divided by 2. And now we will subtract 40 from 25, so it will become minus 15. So this minus 15. Now look at this minus 15. We can write this minus 15 as like this, and similarly we can write this. Why? Because according to mathematics rules, if you have a term under square root, so you can write these uh, two values separately, each under the square root. So therefore we can write this minus 15 like this, minus 1 into 15, which is again equal to minus 15, and similarly we can write this because of the formula. So now it means that we can write this under root minus 15 like this. So let's write it. So now we have written this minus 15 in this form, and now this will become minus 5 plus minus iota under root 15. Why? Because this square root minus 1 equal to iota. This square root under root minus 1 equal to iota. This is called iota. Sometimes this is like this. I have kept this cursor out exactly above it. Looks like this in some cases. Whatever you call it, but this is called iota. So this is basically iota, and under root minus 1 equal to iota. So we have introduced iota over here. So overall, this is equal to x is equal to minus 5 plus iota under root 15 divided by 2, and similarly we will write this in minus. So these are two values of x. This is the solution set of the given equation. So our given equation was this square root x minus 1 equal to x plus 3, and it has two solution set. This is that is minus 5 plus minus iota under root 15 divided by 2, and both the solution are complex number. They are complex number, that is complex solution. So there is no real solution of this given equation. So these two are complex solution of this given equation. So I hope you will have understand. If you have any kind of question, you can ask. And similarly, in the last, I will request you all to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.